Second part of this assignment is really, really easy. You're going to put your presentation on bulb. This presentation on bulb is really easy. So there's your presentation, here's your bulb, and here's your collection that you just created. You're going to, right here, you can go ahead and click enter. It's this file, and you're going to go ahead and just drag and drop your presentation that you have already created onto bulb. And what should happen is this. It'll be an actual slide presentation and embeds it into the presentation file. And once that's done, you're good. And that's all you have to do. So we go ahead and share it like we've done before. Sir. And then hopefully comment. I don't want the comments off. And then I want to cut a cover page. Web search. Mm. You should make sure that your presentation above the page actually says matches what you have, what your research was, maybe even a present picture from there. So I need to title my page. Title of this page is chapter 2, and then enter. Now I can share it, and I can go ahead and say custom, KDISD, copy that link, go back to our thing. Let's go ahead and look at student view, start assignment, paste. You don't have a student view. That's just me showing an example, and then you submit it on Canvas, and that's it. That's all you have to do.